you're thinking of selling your home in today's real estate market, you need a marketing specialist, right? It's not just your friendly neighborhood real estate agent won't just cut it. There's 5 times more active listings on the market today, and so here let me show you. So for example, there are 5 times more active listings on the market today. It's the same amount of buyers. So think about it, right? If you're thinking of selling your home, how would you maximize? When you hire real estate agents, my job is to create more demand on your home, multiple offers. So this is, for example, what's going on today is that in less than 15-20 minutes, we have about 200 offers. Think about it, if you're selling your home and there are 200 offers on a home, how many buyers can you sell your home to? Naturally, what do you think happened to the price? An example of RBID tour of homes. Here is in Rosemead today. How's your Saturday been up to? Check it out, this is Mary.
At Rosemead today.
There's about 200 buyers coming in looking at homes. So in our database, we have about 30,000 buyers who's looking to buy a home here in the area. So when you're thinking of selling your home, what happened with the price of the home if there are 300 buyers who's looking to buy homes here in the area? Right. So for example, so today in Rosemead, we have about 400 buyers, multiple offers within the first 15 minutes. An example of thinking of selling your home. If you're thinking of selling your home in today's real estate market, you need more than a friendly real estate agent. You need a marketing specialist. When I say marketing specialist, I'm talking about, for example, in our team, we have more than 30,000 buyers that we have in our database, and each one has been pre-approved, pre-qualified, and all the money is ready to go. For example, things like what you see now here is going on every single day. Every time we have our RBID tour of homes, we literally have, like for example on this one, almost more than 10 offers within the first 15 minutes. We don't just passively open the door and hoping the buyer's gonna come. Before we invite all the buyers, we call each one in our database. We have about 30,000 buyers in our database. Then we invite them to come to our RBID tour of homes. For example, today we have about 14 RBID tour of homes open. So the buyers that we have in our database, these are buyers that's been pre-approved, pre-qualified. The money is ready to go. These are cash buyers who's actively, seriously looking to buy homes here in the area. Especially in today it's September 2018, when if your real estate agents, all they do, open the door and then passively waiting for the buyers to come in. That's an old, very passive, traditional way of selling homes. That's not gonna happen, especially in today's real estate market who's like changing. Mary,
Yep.
how many cash buyers do we have coming in here today?
I think only over 100 or something.
More than 100. And this is what? This is just open 5 minutes, 10 minutes? What time is it now?
Yeah. I don't know. Let me see. We just
20
opened
minutes?
Yep.
20 minutes, 100 cash buyers in the first 20 minutes. If you're selling your home, how many buyers can you sell? How many buyers can you sell your homes to? Right? How many buyers can you sell your home to? One. Right? So what happened when there's 100 cash buyers who's coming in looking to buy homes in the area? Right? So it's very simple, supply and demand. Our job is to create more demand on your home. Our job is to create more demand on your home. Our job is to create multiple offers. Right? The multiple offers, and that's how you sell the home. Not one by one, waiting passively for the buyers to come in. How many cash buyers we have this afternoon?
Looks like it's been like, what, 200 people already?
200 cash buyers coming in within the last half an hour. Edward, how's been 200 in
been
200
great.
cash buyers in
I got
less
here
than
at
30 minutes.
3:15 and there's only like 10 groups already people waiting.
There's a line outside.
And we started at 4. I got here at 3:15, 3:20.
Yeah.
So people
Yes,
waiting.
multiple offers in today's real estate market. It takes strategy. We cannot just. It's not just passively. We're not just passively looking at homes and hoping and waiting the buyer's gonna come. The strategy. The question is this: when you're thinking of selling your home, does your agent already have the buyers, or they don't have the buyers and they're looking? Oh, sorry. Looking for the buyers, right? So there's a big difference. So there's a difference on getting the home sold versus just showing the homes, right? So instead of just passively opening up doors, what we do is that before we show the homes, we call over 30,000 buyers that we have in our database to take a look at the homes. We have about 30,000 buyers actively looking every day. These are cash buyers. We verify the proof of funds, pre-approvals. They work with our team already attached to one of the buyers. So, if you're thinking of selling your home, there are 6 reasons why hire our team. Number 1, we already have the buyers. In fact, we have about 30,000 buyers in our database looking to buy homes. Reason number 2, our client's home sold for at least $15,000. $15,000 for more money, right? Because of the multiple offers. And number 3, according to the multiple listing service, our home sold faster. In fact, it's 3 times faster. And then, according to the multiple listing service, is that our homes are more likely to get sold. In fact, 70% of the homes that we sold actually sold within the first 2 weeks. Comment below if you are thinking of selling your home, because right now we already have about 30,000 buyers actively looking every day. This RBID tour of homes is going on every single day. We are looking to buy homes in the area. So the way our team system works, we have 50 real estate agents that we partner up with. We have about 50 real estate agents we partner up with, and then once we verify the buyer's pre-approval, proof of funds, then we show them homes. We are not just randomly showing homes to people who may or may not qualify to buy a house. We are only bringing willing, ready, qualified, enabled buyers to buy homes. The sellers is really excited. The sellers calling us now that, hey, this is beyond what's expected, because before the seller hire our team, the seller has spoke with other agents, and other agents are telling them that the market is slow. The market is not slow. I don't know who's telling you that. Obviously, you can see that's not true. The market is not slow. We have about 30,000 buyers that we have in our database who's looking to buy a home right now. So who do you know is thinking of selling a home, right? Cash buyers still coming in all the time. So we have about 30,000 buyers who's looking to buy a home in the area. Who do you know? Who do you know is thinking of selling a home? Right now, we have about 30,000 buyers who's looking to buy a home in the area.